Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to use Screen Magnifier on your laptop. To enable the Screen Magnifier, simply use a combination of Windows button combined with plus button. Press them both at the same time, and this way the magnifier opens up and you can see this menu using which you can control magnifier. You can change the zoom level using these two icons. You can reset the zoom level using these icons. You can start reading from the screen clicking right here, and you can select the place from which you want to start reading by clicking this icon and selecting the element on your screen. You can open the settings where you can change the speed of the zoom, and you can also change the voice of the reader. And you can also access more settings clicking here. And right here you can also enable or disable magnifier. You can change the zoom level, the increment, zoom increment, and the view. The view that you see right now is the lens view. The docked magnifier looks like this, and the full screen magnifier looks like this. Each of them has specific settings. So let's start with docked magnifier. You can make docked magnifier follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and narrator cursor. And the full screen magnifier has all of these options, and you can also make the mouse pointer either centered on the screen or being within the edges on the screen of the screen. And you can also apply the same option to text cursor. And the lens magnifier has settings that allow you to change the size and shape of it, so it can look however you want it to, like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.